Listen to my heart go ride, 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 boot up, ride, 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 my heart go ride, ride, it just won't.
Hey my loves, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, you are so welcome to the channel. My name is Deborah Boms, and on my channel we do natural hair, lifestyle, as well as beauty content. So you are so welcome to the channel. Feel free to subscribe if you are new, and let's get into this wig. This video is sponsored by CurlsCurls, and it's an amazing wig, guys. When I tell you this wig is soft, it is soft. It comes with this extra, clip-ins, just so that you can clip it in if the other one something happens to it. And this is what it looks like straight out the box. Like straight out the box, you can see the curls are already like popping, and you can tell that this is going to be a full wig. Okay, so this is a V-part wig, and I already had my hair braided down for the installation process, and this is what we are starting with. So these are some of the features of this wig which I absolutely love. So the strap comes adjustable, like like a bra strap, so you can actually like pick where you want it to stay and how tight you want it to be. Okay, so it also comes with like 3 clips which you can use to secure it at the perimeter of your head, and we also have the clip pins at the V part of the wig. Okay, so I've gone ahead to just create the V part of the wig by just cutting through, and again we have the clips on both sides and then at the back, so I'm just going to clip that in on the left and on the right just so that the wig is secured, and then I'm going to also clip that in at the back of the head. Okay, and that is what it's looking like. So it's going to be very secured, and trust me, she's not going anywhere. Now to the front part, which is the V section, we are also going to be having the clip-ins installed, so we'll just clip that in, and that secures it and secures the whole wig. Okay, so we have the V part. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can actually achieve a no leave out look. As you could see, I didn't leave any of my hair out. Okay, and this is what we're going to start working with. So we're going to close that up real quick. I want you to remember what this looks like because we're actually going to close it up using crochet. So are we ready? Now let's get into it. So this is pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. Just follow my hand movement. It's basically crocheting from the extensions onto your natural hair, which is possibly, and I want to guess that it's in a cornrow. Okay, so we're gonna just pass it through the natural hair, pick some hair from the front of the wig, and then just crochet that through. So what this does is it kind of gives you like a natural feel, and it seems like the hair is growing from your scalp, so it feels like the wig is from your scalp, if that makes sense. So it's pretty I mean the person who discovered this method, yeah, this is genius, because I mean just watch how this V part is just going to close up real quick. Okay, so again, it's pretty simple. All you need is a crochet pin. Okay, just pass it through your natural hair, grab a little bit of hair, you don't have to grab so much, and then just crochet through the cornrow. We're gonna do this all the way through till the whole V is covered. Okay, so I'm sure that you guys can tell from the way it's just easily crocheting into my natural hair, you can tell that it is soft and easy to manage. So this is because it is 100% human hair. Okay, and it is very affordable. So the prices start at $135. It's long lasting curls, and you can actually dye this hair. Okay, so you can dye it, you can straighten it, whatever works for you. It is easy to manipulate, easy to manage, and yeah, so feel free to explore the options. If you want to dye this, feel free, go ahead, and if you want to straighten this, also feel free to go ahead and do that. Okay, so again, it is a kinky curly V-part wig in 18 inches, and the cap that I'm wearing is a cap small. So yeah, this is a kinky curly texture for 3C/4A. so this isn't exactly 4C texture, but if you want 4C texture, I'm pretty sure you can always get that from the website. But the texture which I used for this video is 3C/4A, so you can tell from the curls as well. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and just keep on crocheting. Again, it is pretty easy, as you can see from this video. So all you just need to do is to crochet the wig extension into your natural hair, and then it looks like it's growing from your scalp. this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys can see the difference. This is the side that we are done with, and this is the other side which we still have left to do. Look at how flawless that is. It looks like it's growing from your scalp, and it looks like it's your natural hair. No one will be able to tell. So we're going to keep doing this now just so that we can cover the whole V part and we'll be done with this installation process. If you're someone like me who has 4C hair that always shrinks, you might not want to get your hair out in a leave out style. Okay, so this is an alternative that is suitable for my girlies who don't want to have any leave out, especially during winter and this season where there's rain every day. So you don't want your natural hair shrinking at the top and just, you know, not blending in. So a good way to achieve you know, like a flawless look all day would be to do this method, because it just makes the whole process looks seamless. And yeah, so this is what it's gonna look like. No one is gonna know that it's a wig because I mean it blends into your scalp. Feel free to use this method. So now that I'm done with the installation process, I'm gonna go ahead to just kind of define the curls further. Okay, this is very essential. Don't skip this step. This is what brings the whole look together. Okay, so I'm just going ahead now to just spray some water just so that we can revive and wake the curls up. Okay, so this is a difference. This is when we have kind of, you know, like activated the curls with just water, and this is the other side which, you know, we haven't done anything to. So you can already see the difference. So what I'm gonna do next is just I'm gonna use this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink gel, and I'm just gonna use that to define the curls, okay, so that we can get like a good shine and the curls would be popping and they look, you know, luscious and juicy at the same time. So yeah, use that. If you have any other curling cream, feel free to use that, but this is the one that I used, and we're just gonna apply that all over the hair. And because we have moisture in there as well, that's why you can see like everything just, you know, seamlessly blends in together. And this is what it's looking like. So this is the part you can see the difference. It is clear. This is the part which we have, you know, like activated the curls, and yeah, so this is the other part which we haven't done much to, so I'm sure you can tell the difference. So do not skip this step. And as you can see, this also kind of added to the volume of the hair. So if you want to add more volume to the hair, make sure you do not skip this step, because it kind of just wakes up the curls, wakes up the wig, and it looks fuller, it looks curlier, and yeah. So just to show you guys real quick, quick. This is the side that we just used only water. I mean, it activated the curls quite alright, but it cannot be compared to when you use like a curling cream to define the curls and add some sort of shine. So I mean, you can use just water, but if you want to get like the full effect and get like a volumizing effect and increase the volume of the hair, make the curls pop more, feel free and make sure you go in with some sort of curling gel or curling cream that is gonna bring the whole look together. Okay. Okay, my loves, so that is the finished look. This is what the hair is looking like. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really curious to know what you guys think about this style of the, you know, like no leave out method. Let me know if it's something that you're gonna try, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much to CurlsCurls as well for sponsoring this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.